Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an is it worth it type of video featuring the Sephora Favorites Clean Me Up Kit. This kit has a $120 US value and it retails for $35 hairs. This is what the packaging looks like. It is a bag, so you can seal it up. You can probably use this to travel with as well. I paid $28 for this kit. So let's start with chatting about all of the goodies that we got in this kit. Let's start with the skincare portion of this kit. We see the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Kit. Now you do get a mini with this kit. A full-size product of this retails for $39. If you are interested in seeing how this looks on my skin, feel free to click the video that I will link up above for you, as I have reviewed this on my channel. Spoiler alert, I love this. However, this gives my skin such a radiant, luminous glow that if you do not like that in a moisturizer, you may not enjoy this at all. This is a hydrating, skin balancing, whipped gel cream packed with polyglutamic acid, hyaluronic acid, and plump for visibly plump, glowing skin. Emphasis on the glowing portion. This is perfect for normal, dry, combo, and oily skin. Oily, again, if you enjoy the glow. Perfect for those who are struggling with dryness, dullness specifically, and loss of firmness and elasticity. I really like this. I think that this is great coming in a mini so that you can sample and see if this truly works for you. So perhaps if you had this on your cart, is it in your loves list? Perhaps consider giving this kit a shot to perhaps try this and see if it works on your skin, as again, it does give the skin such a major dewy, luminous, radiant glow that some may not like. Let's chat about why I purchased this kit. I purchased it for the Tower 28 Make Waves Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara, which looks like this. Now, I had wanted to try this out last year. I think it initially came out right around the Sephora sale, and it was sold out. And then I looked at the wand and I was like, oh, this is not my type of wand. It doesn't have those natural bristles. It has these kinds of bristles. So then I was like, well, I don't feel too bad not having been able to order it at that time. And then I placed my order for the Sephora sale and I included this kit just because of this mascara. And then I went back and I looked at, well, what's this mascara all about anyway? I love Tower 28. So I looked at the wand and I was like, oh, great. I'm not gonna like this because the wand, I do love a natural bristled wand. But let's chat about what this does. This is safe for sensitive eyes, which my eyes have been truly sensitive all spring. We have gotten so much rain that the allergies are insane. My eye is like constantly crying at night. My eyes are watery. They are itchy and are just I am a hot mess express at night. And the day, let's be real, especially with this eye who is constantly like crying, like literal tears just coming out of this eye because of all of the pollen and the air. Perfect for sensitive eyes. This is a vegan mascara that visibly volumizes, lengthens, and defines for the most amped up natural looking lashes. So let's see what we got. So far, I do like that it has lengthened and I feel like it does separate, but it doesn't really hold a curl. I will say that. I feel like I do struggle with mascaras holding a curl on my lashes, but I do love the lengthening and the separating that's happening with this mascara so far. Do I regret adding this to cart so far? No, I do not. I will keep you all updated, perhaps in a favorites video, just to see how this mascara holds up on a full day of work in the warmer months. Will it flake? Will it smudge? I don't know just yet. But so far, I do enjoy the packaging, just the feel of the product. Again, the wand is not my favorite, but so far it's not a deal breaker after having used this, of course. So this retails for $20. And remember, I paid $28 for the kit. Next, let's chat about this. This is a full-size item that is included in the kit. This is the Rose Ink Cream Blush Refillable Cheek and Lip Color. Now, I did see Tati talking about these blushes before, and she says that it reminds them of a toilet seat, so I can't unsee that. Mine has a weird texture to it, so I'm not sure if that's due to the heat, transportation, Lord only knows, but it is a beautiful, this is the shade Delphine. It is a muted peach color. Let me swatch it one more time. It is a rich and creamy shade. And that's what that looks like on the back of my hand. I am wearing it, as you see in the demo, on my cheek area, and I really like it. I totally spaced out and did not remember that this was a lip color, so let's go ahead and use it. I'm going to remove the Merit lip oil, and let's apply this. Messily, of course. It's not too bad. Okay, I actually prefer that to the color that we had going on before. Plus, it matches our blush because it is our blush as well. So I do like it. I don't know about it going on the lips though. I feel like it's just emphasizing all of the very fine lines on my lips, so I don't think I'll be wearing it on the lips, but I will be wearing it on the cheeks because I do like the color so much. So let's chat about what this is all about. This is a cream blush infused with squalane and ceramides to brighten, blur, and hydrate the skin with a buildable flush of a radiant color. Cool, so we have some skincare benefits within this product as well. This does retail for $32 on its own. So we are well above the $35 if you pay, you know, just regular price, or $28 if you paid with a 20% off discount. So I do like it. The packaging is quite nice. It opens up and then it looks like a toilet seat. Next up, I do have the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumper Line Smoothing Gloss. That is a mouthful. This mini size here, you can actually pick it up for $15. Color is Rosy Outlook. This is a clinically tested ultra shiny mini gloss with immediate and long-term softening, hydrating, and visibly plumping benefits. I tried this as I was applying my makeup and I really like this. It does kind of tingle and it does feel quite active as it is sitting on the lips, but it feels nice and it's not too painful, a la Too Faced Lip Plumper. So let's try to apply this over top what we have going on. And I do like the gloss formula. It feels very nice and comfortable. So I like this. I may actually pick up another one of these, although I do have the Makeup by Mario Lip Plumping Lip Color. I feel like this is a little bit more active than that, in case you are thinking of getting either. The Makeup by Mario, however, does have a kind of nudie type of color to it, which I enjoy the most. Now let's chat about I think this is Give by Gwen Stefani. This is the Anaheim Shine Clean High Performance Satin Lipstick. This is, of course, a mini, and included in the kit, you have the shade Stomp Box, a rosy mauve. I did apply this and I am not a fan of the color, but as far as the formula, this is a cushiony high performance lipstick with high color payoff and smooth as silk satin finish. This is vegan and cruelty free. I don't know, but this brand is just something that I'm totally just like not interested in. The packaging is not something I gravitate towards at all. I don't know if I'll be giving this a go or even revisiting this. If I do, I'll try to update, but like it's just not something I feel like I go for. Or maybe I do. Maybe I'm just judging this too harshly. It does kind of remind me of the signature lip in Baby by Merit, but it kind of does not at the same time. So I don't know about this. Let me know if you have tried anything by this brand. Like, is there anything that is really outstanding? Let me know in the comments. Now, this is a great bonus because included in this kit, we have the Fleur Missing Person Eau de Parfum. This is a mini, like much smaller than the travel size, which I already own. So let me show you. So this is what you get in the kit. This is what I already have, and it's like technically almost empty. And then I have the full size. So do I love this scent or do I love this scent? Because clearly I do. I absolutely adore this scent. This is a warm and spicy scent. Skin musk, bergamot nectar, and blonde wood are your keynotes. Now, I'm not going to mist myself because I already have enough perfume. I am wearing the Ellis Brooklyn Florist, another favorite. I'll link my review to the actual Sephora Sale try-on haul up above. I love this scent. So this is kind of like an added bonus for me. I already love this. I could always use a travel size to kind of freshen up whenever I do wear this scent. I love this scent so much. During my Sephora haul, I also picked up the body lotion. And that is what I'm wearing today. This is, this is just an added bonus in the kit. Another thing to make this kit much better for me because I already love some of the other things, but this is just an added bonus of something that I have tried before and something that I love. Now onto something that I've never tried before. This is the Necessaire the Body Lotion with niacinamide, vitamins, and peptides. Now, a lot of people rave about this. Price of a full-size unit is $28, and they do have a mini, 2.4 ounces, 70 ml, which is a bit larger than this. This is a daily multivitamin moisturizing treatment to nourish, strengthen the skin. This is fast-absorbing, hypoallergenic, dermatologist-tested, non-comedogenic. You have niacinamide, plant oils, and peptides. Now, I do like the formula here. It's really nice. It's not runny at all, and it doesn't feel too light. That is what the back of my hand looks like with this. And I did try this yesterday just so that I could speak to you about it. And then I came back home and I had a rash like on my side here. So I'm not sure if I got the rash from this body lotion or if it was just like a heat rash, or I don't know what it was, but that's the only kind of new thing that I tried that kind of gave me a rash. So I don't know if it was due to this. But again, that is the only new thing that I tried. Let me share with you all, I guess, my favorite products from this kit, from least favorite to most favorite. Least favorite, I will say the Gwen Stefani lip product, the Give brand. Next, because it may or may not have given me a rash, the Necessaire the Body Lotion. I do, however, enjoy the feel of this on my skin. It's not rich, sticky, or too heavy to where it feels like your skin is suffocating. Maybe I like this, maybe I don't, but I do kind of like how it feels on my skin because I already own this. Is the Fleur Missing Person. Again, this is more of an added bonus for me personally in the kit because I already love the fragrance so much, but I do understand that the longevity in this product just isn't there, so I do kind of like having this to kind of carry along with me throughout the day when I do wear this scent, so I could refresh it during the day. The Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid Cream. This is a favorite, absolutely. Would probably use this to for travel, but again, it's something I've tried and something I already love. Something that is new to me that I love after trying today is the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Smoothing Gloss. I like the formula of this, and I like that there is some activity happening in the lips, but it's not painful at all. I guess the second most favorite would be the Rose Ink blush. It is the full size item in this kit, or at least one of them, and the shade is absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if it would work for me if I get any tanner, and I do like how it looks on the cheeks. Definitely on the neutral side. I don't know if it would work on deeper skin tones, just because even on myself right now, I don't know if it would work if I were to perhaps develop more of a tan when it really does get hotter here in LA. So perhaps if you have a deeper skin tone, you may consider staying away from this, or perhaps consider gifting this, or perhaps you could get away with using it as a lip product. Now, I guess my most favorite is the mascara, because that is why I bought this kit. So that is all I have for you all today. I think, in all honesty, this is worth it. I was able to try some new products, try products that I had never thought of perhaps trying, and I was able to try a mascara by paying a little bit more for more products as well, just to give a go, try, dip my toes into, if you will. So I do think that this kit is in fact worth it if you are perhaps trying to give either one of these a go, or love this scent and would love a much smaller sized item. So that's all I've got. My battery is dying. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for hanging out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Now, let's start that again. I'm not centered.